All right, today is July 24th, 2026, and Cameron and I are on our way to San Luis Obispo for one of his jobs. He asked me to ride along today and kind of shadow him for the work that he does. He's going to install GPS units in brand new vehicles that have not entered service yet with Caltrans. We're going to be going to the Caltrans Shop 5 off the 101 freeway in San Luis Obispo. We're going to see what it's all about. Our trip today is 4 hours 15 minutes and about 270 miles each way. Oh, it's right off the freeway, it looks like. I think we're here. Guess I better put my shoes on. Computer Training Center. Look at all the Caltrans stuff. Cool. All right, looks like we're here. Anyway, Cameron's in there checking out. We did 7 vehicles, or he did 7 vehicles with GPS trackers. They can't move the vehicles for duty until all of those are installed. We did 7 vehicles, about 15 minutes per vehicle. Most of that time is spent zip tying everything in place. The GPS unit just clips between the main ODSB2 input and the wiring harness that would normally connect to it. And Cameron's just checking out with the guy giving him the keys. And that blue sign through the trees over there is the Madonna Inn. So we're headed to the train loop. Maybe. Off the 58. Just cross back up under the 58. From this spot may be seen a portion of the world-renowned loop. It was completed in 1876 under the direction of William Hood, Southern Pacific Railroad engineer. In gaining elevation around Central Hill of a loop, 4,000-foot train will cross over 77 feet above itself, the rear cars, in tunnel below. Dedicated October 25th, 1953. And now he's crossing over himself right now. I don't think he has any helpers. All right, the train's gone now, and Cameron's anxious to get on the road.